Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create new user account on MacBook Air. To do this, we'll need to click on our system settings. Here, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you should be able to find user and groups. Now select add account, enter password for the admin account. Then you can customize a profile, so change its full name, also account name. The password is required, so you'll need to enter one and verify that same password and also give a hint for them. Now there's also options to change the account type, and you can select standard, sharing only, group, or set it as administrator. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.